The topic is about position, size and nature of image formed by a concave mirror. The mirror is concave mirror at different positions of object. So here we are taking the position of image object for the corresponding object. Where will be that position of the image and what is the size of the image and what is the nature of the image. So first one is, if the object is situated at the infinity position, so that corresponding image will be at the focus. So that the size of the image is highly diminished. Right? Highly diminished image, and nature of the image is the image formed there is real image and inverted image. Real and inverted. Which means if the object is situated at infinity, we don't know the position of the object exactly. So for that object the image is formed at the focus, principal focus. So the image formed at the principal focus is highly diminished, very small image, and real image, that is an inverted image. As we already very well known that the concave mirror gives that real image. Second one, the object is situated at beyond C. Beyond C means center of curvature, and the image is situated in between center of curvature and principal focus. So we got diminished image, that means small image. So the image formed is, nature of image is real and inverted image. If the object is placed at center of curvature, so the corresponding image is also placed at center of curvature only, right? Let's see. Okay, so the corresponding size of the image is same size of the object, and it is also real and inverted image. Now, if the object is placed between C and F, that means center of curvature and principal focus, so the image formed is beyond C. C means center of curvature, so the size of the image is magnified and it is also real and inverted image. Next, if the object is placed at focus, we got that the position of the image is at infinity. We cannot identify the position of the image. The size of the image is highly magnified, right? And nature is also real and inverted image. Now, if the object is placed between principal focus and pole, then the image is formed behind the mirror, and size of the image is magnified, so very bigger image will be get. And here only in this case, when the object is placed between principal focus and pole, we got that virtual image. Only in this case, virtual and erect upright. So this is about the concave mirror position, size and nature of image found by a concave mirror at different positions of the object. Let's check one or two here. Now it is about position, size and nature of object for convex mirror for different positions of the object. So in that first one is, if the object is situated at between f and infinity, f and infinity, then the corresponding image is formed. Then the corresponding image is formed at behind the mirror, and the image is found between P and F, and size of the image is diminished virtual and erect. Second one, if the object is placed at the focus, then the image is formed behind the mirror, and at a distance of f by 2 from the pole. So from pole, the image is formed at the distance of f by 2, half of the focal length. So it is also diminished image and virtual and erect upright. Between f and pole, if the object is situated at between f and p, and the image is also found behind the mirror, between the P and F. So it is also diminished and virtual and erect. Final, if the object is situated at infinity, then the corresponding image is formed behind the mirror, at focus. So corresponding size of the image is highly diminished. So the nature of the image is also virtual and erect, same. Clear? So in the next class we will see some examples in the diagrammatic way for the convex and concave mirrors.